was on the floor here doing my push-ups when wham, bam, everything went dark and I was squashed by that. What do I care? I spent the whole day under that thing. Something dumb, I bet. What do you mean, all right? Look at the mess we were in just because of her. He saved our lives and he helped us find the bed.
The key to my success was using a double layer leaf. I'm looking forward to winning again next year. He seemed overjoyed. We asked some islanders their opinions.
In contact with the depths of your soul. Is that clear?
Thanks for watching.
Because
I'm Hannah and this was your news report for the 22nd of May.
And so, if you are stiff in any joint, you impede the
This is the
current,
news for the 24th of May.
the emotional, physical
Here's our
current,
scoop on a super catch.
what the music
During the
itself
particularly engaging chinwag, somebody
dictates to
accidentally
you.
dropped some lasagna.
If you
At the
have
very
a
moment, the
stiff
elbow just
joint,
happened to be
you
speeding
don't
past the
let it
miraculously
go
important.
through into the
We
keyboard.
asked some islanders their opinions.
The product
Amazing.
of
I never thought I'd see
many,
the
many
day.
ideas,
I'm so
many
excited.
different people.
Thanks
And
for
not only
watching.
your teachers, but
I'm Jason
artists
Davidson and
you've
this was
heard.
your news report for the
It's a
24th of May.
combination of all your musical experience which creates your voice. And that's what's most important is
This
that
is the
there
news for the
you have
24th of
a
May,
stamp
2014.
of your own.
The
You,
8th of each
Paul
month has
Katz,
officially become Tax
plays
Day.
the cello like no
The
other
Society for Tax made a statement
and
that
he
said,
teaches
"We hope that this
that
becomes an opportunity for more
ability
people to get closer to tax."
to develop your own
We asked some
way of
islanders their
playing, your own
opinions.
style.
There's a
Well,
good
that's
business
what you're
idea in there
talking.
somewhere.
I mean, you.
I was
that's
just
what
talking
you-
about that.
I'm not
Thanks for
terribly
watching.
happy in hearing
I'm Georgia
anyone
Becker and this was your news
Carl,
report
I
for the
barely touched
24th of
anything.
May.
I'm sure that whatever minor alteration may have occurred will go completely unnoticed. That could be any kid running a time machine. See? My hair is
This is the
completely
news for the
different.
25th of May, 2014. There have long been legends of a swamp monster living in Beach Lake. Now these rumors have been proven to be true. Mario was visiting Peach Lake with his family. All of a sudden he felt something staring at him and watched as the monster emerged from the water. Apparently, it seemed most
En la
interested
Casa
in
de
the
los
lunch Mario
Morales
and his family
estamos
were eating.
interesados en cómo
But it
convivir
disappeared
con
back into the
otros
swamp
de un
before they
modo
even started
agradable
on
y
dessert.
respetuoso.
According to the
A
report, the
veces
monster looked
estamos
just like
encantados
Tiny.
con algo que un amigo
We
nos
asked
ha
some
hecho.
islanders their opinions.
Entonces,
That's why
podemos
life is never
hacerle un
boring.
cumplido diciéndole lo que
yes,
nos gusta
that's
de
amazing.
él o de ella.
Thanks for watching. I'm Reggie Cousineau and this was your news report for the 25th of May.
I don't know how that Easter Bunny does it. I don't know how that Easter Bunny does it. I don't know how that Easter
This
Bunny
is the
does it.
news for the 25th of May,
How
2014.
Easter Bunny does it.
This is a special story about Quint. Quint's rumors come from the Raven Cats. He is most proud of letting found at a free. The Raven Cat for many talents. Quint said, "In the future, I want to make my own museum for Raven Cats. We can only listen up with that." We asked some islanders their
Carl, I
opinions.
barely touched anything.
I thought
I'm sure that
everybody knew
whatever
about
minor
that.
alteration may have
That's
occurred
all
will go
great, but it's
completely
very clear
unnoticed. That could be any
around
kid running a time machine. See?
Thanks for watching.
My hair is
I'm
completely
Elvin Wilson
different.
and this was your news report for the 25th of May.
touch my family. Water boy. Yes, sir. I say just right. Just right for a
This is the
man.
news for the 26th of May, 2014.
Oh, do
A new
not
type of
worry.
treadmill that lets
What?
you exercise at home is making the competition run for cover.
Yes, master.
En la Casa de los Morales estamos interesados en cómo
Just
convivir
be
con
present and
otros
keep
de un
getting
modo
top Benjamin
agradable
and
y
you get a fantastic
respetuoso.
workout.
A veces
We asked some
estamos
islanders their
encantados
opinions.
con algo que un
You've
amigo
got to
nos
be
ha
kidding me,
hecho.
right?
Entonces,
Amazing. I
podemos
never thought
hacerle
I'd see
un
the day.
cumplido diciéndole lo que nos gusta de
I'm
él o
Sensei and
de
this was
ella.
your news report for the 26th of May.
I don't know how that Easter Bunny does it. I don't know how that Easter Bunny does it. I don't know how that
This
Easter
is the
Bunny does
news
it.
for the 26th of May,
I don't know how that Easter Bunny does
2014.
it.
There's a new flavour of
Everybody
the
does
ice
it.
cream colour in town that everybody's screaming for. Factory opened its ice cream doors last week. Their speciality is creating ice creams that look exactly like the customers' faces. Yes, I ordered one ice cream cone, said, "Wow, it actually looks just like me." We asked some islanders their opinions. Is this really serious?
Amazing. I never thought I'd see the day.
Thanks for watching. I'm Martin Whitty Wolf and this was your news report for the 26th of May.